Introducing a classic gem from 1947, this Mercury Sedan is a beautiful vintage car that stands out with its custom paint and timeless design. Priced at $18,000, it's located in Madras, Oregon, and offers a good condition, gas-powered engine and an automatic transmission. This sedan has only 450 miles on the rebuild gauges and odometer, with a reliable 302 Ford engine, C6 automatic transmission, and a 9-inch Ford rear end, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or as a showpiece. The title is clean, making ownership straightforward, and it has been a hit at Central Oregon car shows and parades. Perfect for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts looking for a project or a unique cruiser, this Mercury Sedan combines history and style. For more photos and details, check out the links in the description and contact Chuck for more info or to schedule a visit. If you're a fan of classic cars with a timeless charm, this 1947 Plymouth Special Deluxe is a gem you don't want to miss. Priced at $11,500 in Xenia, OH, this beauty boasts a clean title, runs smoothly with a 6-cylinder engine, and features a manual 3-speed transmission known as 3 on the tree. It's a rare find with only 65,000 miles, manual steering, and brakes, providing that authentic driving experience. The car's stunning blue paint, new tires, diamondback wide white walls, and recent brake work make it an attention grabber wherever it goes. With a strong 8-volt system, the car is in great shape with no rust. The absence of AC is a reminder of a simpler time, but the classic design more than makes up for it. This is not just a car, it's a piece of history, a true collector's item. If you're looking for an investment or just a car that will turn heads, this Plymouth is worth considering. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Check out this beautiful 1947 Plymouth Special Deluxe sedan, a true classic with suicide doors. This vintage beauty is in excellent condition and features a 3.6L flathead 6-cylinder engine paired with a smooth manual 3-on-the-tree transmission. With just 64,000 miles, it's a well-preserved gem, ready to roll with a clean title. The car runs great, fires up every time, and even has modern upgrades, like a 12-volt conversion, front disc brakes, an aluminum radiator, and an aftermarket stereo. The body is a stunning yellow, and the car is an absolute head-turner wherever it goes. If you're a collector or someone interested in restoring a vintage car, this Plymouth is a must-see. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Make sure to check the link in the description for more details. This 1947 Plymouth Hot Rod is a fantastic vintage find, priced at $10,500. Located in Gilmanton, NH, this classic car has an impressive 318 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, offering both power and performance. The car's odometer reads 200,000 miles, and it's in good condition with a clean title. The exterior is a sleek black, and it features a non-Bondo solid build. Its transmission is unique, though the details are unspecified. This car is perfect for any hot rod enthusiast or collector looking to restore or showcase a piece of automotive history. Whether you want to drive it as is or dive into a restoration project, this Plymouth Hot Rod offers timeless appeal. Don't miss the opportunity to own a classic like this. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and pictures. This 1947 Ford Super Deluxe Coupe is a true classic, offered at an attractive price of $18,000 in Enumclaw, WA. With its iconic flathead V8 engine, 3-speed column shift manual transmission, and a clean title, this vehicle is perfect for any collector or vintage car enthusiast. The car has been in the family since 2000 and is in excellent condition with only 91,130 miles on the odometer. The body is painted in a sleek black color, and the vehicle has a rear-wheel drive RWD system. Additionally, it's equipped with a 6-volt battery, new fuel tank and gauge sending unit, rebuilt fuel pumps, electric and mechanical, new electronic ignition, and a fully flushed cooling system with fresh coolant. The entire brake hydraulic system has also been replaced for smooth driving. This car runs and drives beautifully, and it's a fantastic find for anyone looking for a rare vintage car that's been lovingly maintained. Whether you're a fan of vintage restoration projects or looking for a car that's ready to show, this 1947 Ford Super Deluxe Coupe won't disappoint. For more details, check out the link in the description below. Up for sale is a beautifully restored 1948 Buick Super 56S Coupe, priced at $18,000 in Antioch, Tennessee. This car is in excellent condition and features an 8-cylinder engine with rear-wheel drive and a manual transmission. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, this classic Buick sports a custom paint job and comes with a clean title. It has competed in AACA National Judging and won a First Junior Award, making it a great addition to any vintage car collection or a fun touring vehicle for car clubs. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of history. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Check out this classic 1948 Chevrolet 2-door coupe, available for $19,500 in Orangevale, California. This beauty comes in a stunning black paint that complements its vintage charm beautifully. It's powered by a robust 6-cylinder engine, ensuring a smooth drive. The manual transmission adds an old-school feel to the driving experience. With only 68,974 miles on the odometer, this car is in good condition and ready for the road. Its clean title means it's ready for a new owner. The interior is in very good condition with no rips or tears, making it perfect for both collectors and enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a delightful restoration project. This Chevy Coupe not only drives well, but also features a siren and has been upgraded to 12 volts for better performance. Don't miss out on this unique find that embodies the spirit of classic American automobiles. For more details, be sure to check out the links in the description. This classic 1948 Dodge 3 window coupe is a real treasure for vintage car enthusiasts, priced at $10,500 and located in Aurora, Washington. With only 32,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe boasts a sleek black paint job, a powerful 6-cylinder engine, and a semi-automatic fluid drive transmission, making it a perfect candidate for restoration or as a standout collector's piece. The condition is rated as excellent, with recent upgrades including new shocks and electronic ignition, ensuring it drives very well. It has a clean title, and the seller highlights that it's in very good overall shape and ready to hit the road or be customized to your taste. Whether you're a serious collector, real car enthusiast, or someone looking to build a vintage dream car, this Dodge Coupe offers strong appeal. Its RWD drive system and classic styling capture the essence of post-war Americana. Don't miss out on owning a piece of automotive history. Check out the link in the description for more details. Up for sale is a stunning 1948 Ford 2-door sedan, available for $15,000 in McDonald, Tennessee. This classic beauty is in excellent condition, featuring a black exterior that has been repainted once around 1960, making it a rare and appealing vintage find. Under the hood, it sports a powerful 265 Chevrolet V8 engine, equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a manual 3-speed transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows only 40,000 miles, indicating low mileage for its age, and the car is entirely rust-free with a clean title, making it a prime candidate for even the most discerning collectors or restorers. The vehicle retains its original 3-speed column-shift manual transmission and has front disc brakes from a 1965 Ford, ensuring safer stopping power. Its condition is excellent, runs smoothly, shifts properly, and stops reliably, though it's worth noting the absence of air conditioning, which adds to its vintage charm. This car is perfect for enthusiasts aiming to restore or enjoy a classic American sedan with authentic vintage character. Whether you want a showpiece, a weekend cruiser, or a restoration project with tremendous potential, this Ford offers you a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details, photos, and to contact the seller. Here we have a 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline, a true classic car that could be the perfect project for enthusiasts or collectors. Priced at $13,000 OBO, this vintage beauty has been sitting since 2017. It features a rebuilt 235 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. The car has a fair condition rating, with some work needed, especially the brakes, which were once new but are now non-functional. The exterior is finished in a striking green, making it a standout piece for anyone looking to restore a classic vehicle. With a clean title and a significant mileage of 1,111,111, this car offers a great opportunity for those looking to bring a vintage ride back to life. It would be a fantastic addition to any collection or restoration project. If you're interested, don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details.